to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and well doing in your studies. Now I am going to teach you about excretory system. It is a type of an organ system in our body. Okay. We should know that it excretes unwanted particles or waste material from our body. Is it? Before we switch over to main content of today's topic, we have to recall what all are the things we learned in our human body. We can recall. We know that our human body is made up of a cell, right? And cells together form a tissue. Then tissue together form an organs. And these organs together form an organ system. And after these organ systems together form an organism like a human being or any other animals. We can check what all are the organ system we learned in this chapter. We learned about digestive system, right? Which make the food used ready by the body. Then we learned about skeletal system, which helps to give shape and support to the body. Then about the respiratory system. It helps to breathe in, yes, what? Oxygen, and breathe out, of course, that is carbon dioxide. Then we have muscular system, which helps to move. And we learned about circulatory system also, which circulate, yes, tell me what? Which circulates blood from the body, right children? Okay. Then now we are going to learn about excretory system. So children, as I told you, today we are going to learn about excretory system, right? What is excretion, children? What is the meaning of excretion? That is, we are remove waste material from our body. That process we call excretion, right? And in this section, I'm going to teach you about main function and organs of excretory system. We can check. So children, some organs like lungs, kidney, skin, then a pair of ureter or ureters, then urinary bladder and urethra. These will help for removing the waste material from our body. Such organs we called excretory organs. Clear all of you? So children, we already know about lungs and skin. Then now I am going to teach you about kidney, urinary bladder, ureters and urethra. We can check what it is. So children, we have bean-shaped kidney in our body. We have a pair of bean-shaped kidney in our body. This bean-shaped part we call kidney. We have a pair of kidney in our body. It is a reddish color. Okay. And from the kidney, a pair of tubes that is coming out from the kidney and it ends in a urinary bladder. A balloon-shaped urinary bladder. This we call urinary bladder. Okay. Urinary bladder. It is a balloon shape. Okay. And waste material from the blood that passes from the kidney to the urinary bladder through the ureters. Through the ureter. Okay. This pair of tube we call ureters. Okay. And finally, this waste material is passing out through a small tube at the end of the urinary bladder that we call urethra. Okay. That we call urethra. Clear all of you? And all my dear children, you have to draw this diagram 2 or 3 times and learn about the excretory system. Okay. So what are the functions of excretory system, children? That is, it filtrates waste material from the blood. Right. So children, at the end of this section, we can understand waste material like urine that is passing through the urethra. Right. And skin remove excess water and salt in the form of a sweat. As like lungs can remove carbon dioxide as a waste. Okay. So all my dear students have to draw the diagram and learn. Okay. Then only you can easily understand. So we can meet in our next class. Thank you.